Welcome back to Frow's Garage, guys. So today we're going to start working on getting the mock-up block and everything ready for the Mustang behind me. So last video you probably say we got the engine bay ready. So went to Speedway Motors. They aren't sponsoring me or anything. Pay for this out of own money. But we have the mock-up engine and everything here. So I'm gonna go ahead and break everything out the boxes and get it all set out on the floor. And then we'll look at how to get everything together. Okay guys, so I got everything on out the boxes put on the floor. So this is over that way is for the short block, and then that over that way is going to be the heads. I have the transmission too in a whole nother box for 4L80 for mock-up, but this video is just going to be on the engine. Again, Speedway Motors is not sponsoring me or anything. This was all paid for by me or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff assembled together, and then I'll tell you what I think about it. And you'll probably see me use it for mock-up in the Mustang a little later, and then I'll review it after we get the actual motor in and everything, see how everything worked out. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this all assembled and stuff, and get back with you and let you see what it looks like once it's all assembled. And maybe we'll test fit a few pieces like the headers or stuff we got, just to see how it all works out. All right guys, well let me get to work. Okay, so we got the mock-up block all together now. Instructions, I will say, are not the best. It also comes with a ton of extra bolts, or nuts, I mean. I guess you can use that for when you're mounting the like headers and stuff on there, because the provisions here aren't threaded. So you'll have to stick a bolt through there. I wish it came with some bolts for those nuts for you to mount the stuff on there, since it came with the nuts anyways. But I'll have to get some bolts to match those for mounting all the accessories and stuff on there. So on the side, you see here, you got your bolt holes for your engine to set your engine mounts up. You got your holes here so you can mount headers. Same with the 4 holes for your valve covers. You can put longer bolts in this and mount the full accessories on the front if you want. So it's got a lot of it's got provisions on the bottom for you to mount an oil pan. You got the holes to mount an intake manifold on the top. So it's got everything for you to mount basically everything that goes on the outside of the block onto this thing and test fit it in a vehicle. But I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a set of headers, and we're going to just try to stick it on the side real quick and see how it works out. See if I can find a couple bolts to run through there. So let's do that real quick. I do like, by the way, that has this little bit of information on the front as far as crank pulley spacing. And then also apparently this top thing's customizable for LS7 mock-ups too. So the holes in this top plate is slotted for you to kind of slant it up and give it the angle that you'll need if you're doing LS7 stuff. I'm not messing with no LS7 stuff, so I just got it set for the regular LS mock-up. But let's go ahead and mount some headers on it and see how it looks. Okay, so I got the headers mounted on with just one bolt in the front and the back. So they fit on there good. Like I said, this is the back of it, so it's got the whole provisions for the transmission too. It even has whole provisions for you to stick a starter on. So you basically can fully assemble this motor with everything that goes on your short block, long block to test fit. But yeah, so that's how everything fits on here. Hopefully it'll make swapping that Mustang right there a lot easier. Again, I'm not sponsored by Speedway Motors, but this worked out very well, so hopefully we'll see more of it in action. All right guys, so that's going to wrap this video up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below if you enjoyed the content, and stay tuned for more.